In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset the password on a MacBook Pro M1. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, I do want to apologize. This is going to be a little bit hard to demonstrate since I currently am screen recording, but what you're going to want to do is hold down the power button until your MacBook completely turns off and just keep holding it down until the screen goes fully black. From here, press and hold the power button again, but this time keep holding it until you see the continue holding for startup options. Whenever you see these startup options begin to load, you can let go, and after a moment, you'll see your main drive along with an options button. Just click options, press continue to enter recovery mode, and your Mac will start loading. And eventually, you'll be on a screen asking you to select a user that you know the password for. Since you are resetting it, choose forgot all passwords, and then the system will guide you through recovery. If your Mac is linked to an Apple account, you will need to sign in to that account. If you don't remember the password, just hit forgot password again, and you'll usually be asked to enter in an email address or a phone number connected to your Apple account. Apple will then send you a verification message so that you can reset your password. And whenever you do complete the steps, you'll be able to create that new password and sign back into your MacBook. It really is as simple as that. Once again, I apologize. I am currently screen recording, so it's super hard to demonstrate. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.